Hello friends, welcome to an overview of what my garden looks like at the beginning of May. Today is May the 4th, be with you. Making a little garden. So here's our before. Handheld tiller and some strings to mark out where it's gonna be. Here we have some foxglove seeds that I planted for funsies and they're not doing well, which, you know, it's not the right container, obviously. I'll try again later. Most of the peas are gone. Most of the Johnny Jump Ups are gone. I think just marigolds and then tomato right here. And then some of this other stuff I just randomly dumped in, so who knows what it is. Flowers I bought from Walmart today. Most of this is perennials, and I live in zone 4, so a lot of the choices aren't very great because it gets so cold here. But the creeping, it's like Polox or Phlox, I think is how it's pronounced. Like, that's pretty common. So some of those are gonna go in here in this circle. It's by our driveway, so I have to be careful not to show you my street number or name. And the only thing here that's a perennial is this creeping Jenny. So I think I'll do more perennials. Last year I did some annuals that I got for super cheap. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna take this marigold and this marigold and these fence pieces over to my garden. I'll show you that. It honestly kind of looks like a grave, but here is my garden. As you can see, I didn't fully till it because I'm not sure what I'm planting there yet anyways. So I've got pea plants here that I started inside. I'm gonna do sunflower seeds behind that. So I do have the sunflower seeds, and I'm gonna do marigolds here and here. And I am gonna do a bunch from seed, but I bought the 2 that are the actual plants just so I could remember, like, I'm gonna put one there and put one there and put them around the peas, like marigolds. So that's the plan for now. Dan says it looks like a Halloween grave. Another day, another pile of plants. These are from Walmart. A couple of these are dollar ones, but the vast majority of them are full price perennials. I was also plant shopping with a friend yesterday, but I didn't do any sort of filming, but here's a picture of what I bought. And I did plant the vast majority of them, so when I get home, it's now 84 degrees out, it's hot. I'm gonna plant them because I know I'm the type of person that if I don't put the plants in the ground, they die. So I have like 2 right now that I shouldn't have bought yesterday, but they were just so cool because this is a place that I don't normally go to. But I have rocks in the way, so I have to actually I have to make sure I water them so they don't die because they're very cool looking. Anywho, just waiting on my hash browns. So here's what I just bought. I forgot to show this English daisy and that English daisy. These other 2 I bought from Walmart like a week ago, I think. I'm still trying to figure out what this is. I think it's a dianthus of some sort because it looks similar, and I remember planting something like that last year, but the internet was telling me like something yellow, so I don't know. That's a flower of some sort, and I have the tag because I was writing it down inside. This is catmint, which a lot of people don't like because it gets out of control. So, as you can see, out of control. For now, I don't mind. We'll see if I regret that in a couple of years. Creeping phlox, got that a couple weeks ago. Rocks, dead crap. This is a tulip. It's a very dead looking rose. I think that's a tulip as well. I'm not really sure. And then there's this, which I can't remember if that's a plant either. And that's why this year I'm writing things down because I don't remember what the heck I was planting last year. And then here, this hen and chick was here last year. It was just like a random impulse purchase. And then these 2 I just recently bought. This guy is going on the side of the house, but there's a pile of rocks in the way. These guys are going in this pot, which I haven't gotten around to. This pot I had stuff in last year and it died because I forgot to water it, so I'm gonna do better at it this year. And those are Candy Shop Grape Splash Portulicas. These ones I got from the plant shop, but there's also seeds in here that I sprinkled in, so we'll see if those pop up. And then there's some dahlias that I did from seedling as well. This is a sedum tile that I'm pleasantly surprised is coming back. So that sedum plant is gonna go here, and then there's just rocks, yay, and weeds. And then here's my little garden. We've got sunflower seeds right here where these sticks are, peas, some marigolds in here too. So the little ones like that are ones that I grew from seed inside. And then I have some others I just got at the plant store. There was a cucumber there. It's dead. We bought one at the store. That's a watermelon. It's doing okay. I think I'm gonna put a pumpkin in the middle. I just haven't found one yet. It's too late to have done one from seed, so I'm looking for a plant. And then 4 kinds of tomatoes and marigolds. So we have chocolate sprinkle and then power pops. I love tomatoes. So I've got a couple more of these tulips. They were $1. Maybe I'll plan how many I actually want and I will buy the rest, you know, actually plan. This is the cucumber. Here's a big old hen and chick, dianthesis, and then this is a little pepper that I want to try. These are dead. Ignore those. My mom and I went to a little local nursery. I was buying her a Mother's Day gift. So this one and this one are going to go on the side of the house with a bunch of rocks. So they'll be here a while. This friend I'm going to put in our circle above one of our, I think it's a septic pipe. Some of these are going to go in the pot on the porch. And these are the portulicas that I really like. And I need to put those over here. I think just a couple more right in here. I did sprinkle some seeds. We'll see if more pop up. So many ants. I hate ants. And then these snapdragons I'm putting in the circle. One of these purples are a perennial, and that'll go in the circle with these. I think these 2 are the annuals, and that's going on the porch. And then these 2, I think are gonna go under this tree. So we'll see. Kind of have a fun little mess, but it's fine. The 4 plants that have been chilling on my porch for a week, they're gonna go under this rock pile. Like all these rocks for that little amount. And that's like an hour sifting through the dirt. Yay.